Hi guys, Conan here from LBC. Today we're in Rickmansworth where we're doing a big job. It's cleaning the front driveway, cleaning the rear patio and also steam cleaning some of the front stonework on the portico by the door entrance and on the stone balustrades. So a nice little mix. We'll be using the surface cleaners for the driveway and the patios, and then we'll be going over it with some soft wash solution to get rid of all that black spot, because as you'll see the patios are really dirty. They haven't been cleaned properly in years. So we're trying to get rid of all that black spot and bring them up as best we can. And we'll also be using steam cleaning, low pressure, high temperature on the stonework, so not to damage the stone, but to clean it up nicely as well. So stay tuned and check out the transformation.
Team have arrived. All this dirt that's been accumulated, they're just going to sweep it up, bag it up, take it away. I did promise you exterior cleaning bonanza, and it's all happening. So you've got these two there on the front driveway. Jim is now here, just getting the surface cleaner ready to do the back patio. We've got our new signing Jim here. He's on the surface cleaner and he's going to make a start on the back patio. So it's all happening. We've got front and back going on now. We've got Jim, the big money signing from Galway. He wants to impress. Look at him go. Full concentration. Showing the fans what he can do. Well played, my son. Brilliant bit of kit. The Mosmatic surface cleaner. Only the best here at LBC. See here where they've cleaned to, that line, a very big difference. Great progress here by the team. So very shortly they're going to move all the vehicles and attack the next part of this job. But yeah, it's looking good, really looking good, this driveway, making a big difference. That surface cleaner. See Doomy here, he's such an animal. He can't wait for 2 seconds. He needs my car moved. He couldn't wait for me to do it. He's going to do it himself. Crazy guy. All that dirt there, Harry just sweeping up, bagging up. You've got Jim, got Doomy there, just doing a bit of quality control, chipping away at this back patio. So guys here, they've just done a little readjustment with their vehicle, moved it back so they can tackle the rest of this driveway, get all the rest of this dirt and grime. Got Harry here, getting the surface cleaner ready, focused. So while the guys are doing this, let's go backstage to the patio, join Jim, see how he's getting on. Just checking in with Jim here, look, still happy, making good progress here. You can see he's done all this already. Big surface area here. Now he's up on the higher deck, so be interesting to see how that all comes up. An LBC special. The director of the firm, Conan, he's in the mix, just popped down, so I'll be grabbing a few words with him. He's just checking in, bit of quality control, so we'll get a few words with the big man.
Give it a rinse off so get any solids off and then get bleach on. Oh.
Conan, how's it all going out there?
Yeah, good thanks. Yeah, I've just popped in, check up on the boys, see how they're getting on. They're doing a good job. We've nearly finished the front driveway and it's about 1 o'clock. About halfway through the back patio. We've still got to do all the soft washing, but as we finish the front drive we'll be able to get 2 machines on the back and that should start to speed things up. We'll also be using the DOF machine for the front stonework, so that's going to start taking place soon, and we'll be back here tomorrow to do the resanding, and if there's any more cleaning to finish up we can do that as well. So something that I'd like to point out is between this section here, where the section on the left we've already jet washed it using the surface cleaner, and the section on the right which obviously hasn't been pressure washed just yet, but as you can see still loads of black spots. So if you were just to leave it now with just pressure washing you'd only get that results, and that's not what we're about. So we're going to come back in and soft wash it and try and get rid of as much of this black spot as possible. So Jim's finished this upper back patio area. He's now going to apply some soft wash so we can get rid of some of that black spot that's left over after pressure washing. So Dimitri and Harry are just setting up the DOF machine in the background. It's a nice little piece of kit that we use to steam clean the stonework. It's again, it's high temperature and low pressure. Some people make the mistake of cleaning this stone using high pressure cold water, and what that does, we'll take a closer look in a minute, but now the stone is nice and smooth, and if you pressure wash it with cold water and you continue pressure washing it with high pressure, you're going to make that smooth surface become really more porous, and then it becomes easier to get dirtier in the future. So as you can see, the Portico is covered in some black marks, which is the organic staining, and we're going to use the steam clean to clean that off, and then also scrub it with some biocide to help keep it even more clean and help keep it cleaner for longer. So let's take a closer look. Thanks for watching. If you're enjoying our videos, make sure to like and comment and hit the subscribe button. And to see more pressure washing videos, click here for patio cleans or click here for some roof cleans.